Introducing the 2010 Dodge Ram 1500. This four-door, six-passenger truck still has less than 45,000 miles. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the powerful 8-cylinder engine. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. All of the premium features expected of a Dodge are offered, including one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, a front bench seat, fully automatic headlights, heated door mirrors, and power windows. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Come on in and take a test drive.